at school for the rest of the year as possible, okay? Bro, yes! 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 Finally! Oh, get him! Oh!
So, where is the lampshade now?
You know, it's in a safe place, and nobody's going to find it. I'm the only one that knows where it is. But should anybody want to take up the investigation of the mysterious lampshade of Buchenwald / New Orleans, I'll be...
At gmail.com. That's gonesouthpodcast@gmail.com. For bonus content, you can follow us on Facebook. Written and narrated by me, Jed Lipinski. Our executive producers are Leah Reese-Dennis, Maddie Sprung-Kaiser, and Lloyd Locke.
Like literally as I was requesting if the time limit expired on it, they said it was to noon that day, and I had like submitted something at 11 and got a message back around 2 or 3 in the afternoon stating that bids already closed at noon that day on it, but that they would keep it in mind in case, you know,
Yeah, I'm sorry, I just watched somebody get pulled over in front of me. Going crazy. Oh my God. Yeah.
What you telling all your friends? I ain't pointing fingers, ma. I just wanna call again. See how your day going. I know you're stressing on you. I know the times get hard. That's why I'm checking on you. It's yours truly, ma. I got a little message for you. Anything you can do.
Oh, hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Yeah!
are you doing? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious doing that? You're not doing that. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You're kidding me. Get out. I'm gonna go get the cop, okay? Because I fully have the spot and you come right up my ass. You make an illegal U-turn. Yeah, I'll move up. Sorry. Thank you, sir. Sorry to waste your time with that. Get him. He's gonna go get him. Oh man, I got that on Dashcam. I got that on Dashcam. Here, he's coming for you. He's coming for you. Wow, good Dashcam art.
Jesus. Get him, cop! Yay, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him! I love it! Because some Sadies, because
Pull him over! Please pull him over. Yes! Yeah. What a dumbass.
A magic missile slammed into the monster's wings. It circled just above the tree line. It screeched angrily. At the same moment, I cast heal on myself as I pulled the holy grouper potion ball into my free hand. It screeched yet again, its voice high and piercing. I was hoping it would drop me, but it just couldn't happen. Carl. Emerged from the canopy like a wizard atop a mountain.
All the Democrats be there and be silent and then talk about it after, because you could appear looking disjointed doing all these different things, and this is one of the things the High King Drafters was so worried about, because now you have this, this, I think it was like the
Why are you slowing down?
Hi, good morning.
You were stopped for disobeying the sign on there that says no right turn from 7 a.m. to 9:30. I need to see you.
Please, go get pulled over. Yeah.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.